this shoot is something I have planned and prepared for so long, and I cannot even believe that the day is finally here, and it's so exciting. These are the outfits I got. Fits are actually for a newborn. I had no idea they were for a newborn until I had ordered it. Good morning, guys. So today is another Wednesday and it's Ziora's immunization today, and the time is currently 11:10, and those people close at I think 2 p.m. So before we head out to get her shots, I'm trying to do her 3 months photo shoot. Like, this has been a long time coming. I'm supposed to have done this shoot a long time ago, but I ordered some outfits from Shein and they didn't get here on time. So what I'm trying to do today is to do her photo shoot before we head out for her immunization, and I'm just hoping that I can get everything done quickly and leave the house by probably 1 o'clock. That's my plan for today. So this shoot is something I have planned and prepared for so long, and I cannot even believe that the day is finally here, and it's so exciting. I'm going to show you guys the outfits I ordered from Shein. I ordered 2 outfits and 1 tutu skirt just to mix things up, and the inspiration I had for those outfits. Now the issue is Ziora is awake, and when you are snapping baby photo shoot, the best time for you to snap them is when they are sleeping. I could not meet up with the whole waking up and preparing for this shoot when she was sleeping, so I just have to find a way around this and snap her these pictures now that she's awake, or unless by some miracle she falls asleep. But let me show you guys the outfits I got. So are the outfits I got. This is a pink net or mesh bodysuit. This is a green bodysuit. This headband is for this pink mesh, and then the green also has a headband too, and this is a tutu skirt with a princess headband. So one of the reasons I actually have to do this shoot today is because these outfits are actually for a newborn. I had no idea they were for a newborn until I had ordered it, and this is coming from someone who has done tutorials on how to shop for Shein, but let's just say it was an oversight. I'd already placed the order for these outfits because they were so cute before I realized they're actually for a newborn. So if I don't do this photo shoot today, my baby is growing so fast and so big, these outfits will not fit her in about a week or so. I just have to do this shoot today, and I have a couple of ideas for these outfits, and you guys will just see. Right now I'm going to show you the props I have set up. This is what the first props I have looks like. I used the double pillows with this army green backdrop. It's a piece of cloth that I just used, and then this nursing pillow. That's the concept I have for this. This other tiny pillow here is just a prop pillow in case I need to prop her head or her hands together. I'm not yet sure about the style I'm going to use to snap Ziora because she's currently awake, and when the baby is awake it's very difficult to predict how the pictures will come out. Now for this second one, this is a pink backdrop that I own, and currently that's where the soft mattress you saw earlier is because I can't just place her on the pink backdrop like that. I had to use the soft mattress and her blanket, and then I placed the pink backdrop on top just so it can be soft for her and comfortable enough. The reason I'm actually setting the backdrops now is because once I'm done with one, I just want to quickly change her and transfer her to the next in case she's sleepy or a bit fussy. I don't want to waste any time trying to set up again when I could have used that time to do something better. Behind me are my reflector, which I'm going to use for the photo shoots, and then that there is one of these backdrops or the props I have prepared to snap her pictures. So now that I've set the props, the background, backdrop, and the light, I'm just going to show you guys the inspiration I have for each outfit and how I plan to execute this shoot. Although it might not come out exactly the way I have planned it, but I'm just going to show you guys and then write out the concept for each outfit and the props and the backdrop and everything, so that I don't forget anything, because in the midst of shooting this I might get carried away with some things and forget. But if I have my notes ready, I'm just going to go over my notes to see that I'm actually on track. So let's get to planning. So right now she's currently sleeping, and I want to see how I can change her into the second outfit. Hopefully she doesn't wake up, because if she wakes up then I'll just have to manage what I've gotten from the first outfit. But the plan is to change her into a new outfit and try again. Let's see how that goes. Second outfit on, but she's awake now. Yeah, let's see what it looks like. Hey. Why are you so cute? Hmm? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.